Hey creatives, I hope you are doing well. A few days I shared a video to this YouTube account on how to design this digital invitation card on Affinity Designer. And today I'm going to show you on how to generate and replace a QR code for your design and customer services. As we know that a digital invitation card is now trending and very useful and simple to access it within a short time in this software. Now without wasting our time, let us dive in. Go to Shape 2 and find a QR code here below. Then go to that on top of your design, edit QR code defaults. About type of QR code, there is a text. Now you can write a text here, URL, then you press your URL, whether it's your YouTube account, Google account, and so forth. And here is a phone number. Sometimes it is very useful for this digital invitation card. And the SMS, the same. Email, very fantastic. WhatsApp, superb. And the best method that people use very often is this method, by using WhatsApp, I mean. Now here we have first time, location, Wi-Fi, vCard, data mesh, and so forth. Let me test by pressing a URL. Here I have my YouTube URL. So because we try to generate a QR code, let me try use this URL. Copy it, come to this QR code, then paste your QR code, press OK, then draw like a shape. The most interesting with this method, you can even edit your color. Now let me edit the color. Let me use this color. Now let me try to scan. Let's use my phone screen record so that you can see the results. In case you find this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. And the most important, do not forget to subscribe my channel and watch the full tutorials that have been uploaded to my account. Thank you and see you until next time. My name is Boniface and here is Moikambo Creatives.